Stickasaurus here, and this morning we're starting on Goranger from Goranger. Super excited to finally start these. Great models by 3D Command Center. We finally got them. And with these files, these Goranger files, this marks every Showa helmet. Minus like 2, I think, that aren't like main Ranger helmets being modeled and printable and ready to go. So I'm excited to get this team knocked out. We do already have Goranger from Disackers, so we're not going to do 3DC ones since I already did 3 of those, and I'm good for right now. But we're going to do the rest of this team, starting with Owl here. This didn't print super well. It's got some super striations. I don't know, the fan duct fell off my printer, and I think that was the issue. But it was too late after I noticed, so we just went with it. He put the holes in it, so I don't have to sit here and drill these out. Bless him. So excited about that. Back printed pretty okay. Just this front's kind of a hot mess. But luckily there's not a lot to these, as long as we don't lose the visor shape and the number. Not a big deal. So we're going to get some spot putty on this right off the bat, because I'm not even going to bother trying to sand this down. And then we will see what we're working with. We're gonna get the masking off Owl here. Hopefully we didn't do too bad. We'll see. Like I said, this was kind of a garbage print, so we're just trying to power through, get it looking decent. But we're going to do that, touch-ups and detail lines. Looking real good, actually, all things considered how crappy of a print this was. We're gonna get the Manix Elastic, and then we'll get to the spinner hub! Goranger finally finished. One of my more favorite of the Goranger helmets. I mean, it's not Goranger or anything, but I like it. I think it's odd. It's probably my third favorite out of them, to be fair. But I like it. I love the blue. Blue could probably be a little darker, but I think this is more modern blue, if that makes sense. Then again, a lot of it could have to do with just the age and the lighting of the old footage, because there's some stage show shots
Rangers that look pretty okay, pretty close to this. So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, 3DC has all the Goranger files, so if you're interested, hop on over there and make sure you pick them up. I made sure he had the holes already put in the visor, so you don't have to go through all the painstaking effort of drilling them out like we had to do for the Jack helmets, or Stronger if you just watched that. That was a little bit of a nightmare. I hope you enjoyed this. As always, thanks for watching. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at Stickasaurus. Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays and Props. Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We stream every Saturday and Sunday, twice a day. Down below is a link to the link tree. If you're interested, check out the Discord. Come hang out, make friends. The merch store, got cool shirts in there if you're interested. And check out the Patreon. Tiers as low as $1. You get a whole lot for it, as well as a discount to the merch store. So if you're interested, make sure you check that out. But thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.